we guide you through how to schedule a message in Slack. First, open your Slack workspace and go to the channel or direct message where you want to send your scheduled message. Type your message normally in the message box as if you are going to send it right away. Instead of clicking the send button, look for the small narrow icon next to the send button and click it. A menu will appear showing scheduling options. Choose Schedule Message, then select the exact date and time you want your message to be sent. Make sure the time zone is correct so your message goes out at the right moment. After setting the schedule, click Confirm or Schedule Message, and Slack will automatically save it for you. If you want to check it or edit later, go to the channel name at the top, click on Scheduled, and you'll see all your pending messages where you can reschedule, edit, or cancel them anytime before they are sent.